Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So this look is pretty punky, I would say. For me, this is honestly the most punk or e-girlish I think I've ever looked, honestly. And I love it. Like, I feel great. I feel like I look amazing, and these lashes, longer than life, are giving me life. So today I decided I've been getting a lot of questions of how I do my smoky eye, especially because I do it for some characters on my TikToks. I do it for Jane the Killer, and then I did it with the first time I wore these humongous lashes. And people just ask me that, like, how does my smoky eye look so blended? And so I decided, let me show you today. Let me teach the children. So, yeah, that's why I decided to do this small, cute little look today. It's actually very easy. It just takes a little bit of time and blending and finessing since I don't use transition shades, and I know that can kind of go wrong with smoky eyes. But yeah, again, this was suggested by you guys. If there's anything you guys want to see, make sure to comment down below or check my Instagram where I'm constantly asking people. My DMs are open. You're free to DM me and be like, hey, we want to see this on your channel. So yeah, just let me know. Also, again, just a quick reminder, I have opened up my shop, so you should definitely check it out. The link will be in the description, and I am so excited and for where this journey is going to take me. Now, enough with the shameless plugs. We're going to get started with this video. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful but yet soft smoky eye, then keep on watching. So off camera, I primed my eyes, did my eyebrows, and primed my face. And I'm just taking a black shadow and applying it to my lid with my finger. It is a very unconventional way to start a smoky eye, but for me, this is just what I found out that works. Now I'm grabbing a more precise brush and really starting to create that shape. I prefer to create the shape first and then blend it out slowly and softly. So here I'm just patting in some black shadow to make sure that the shape is nice and stamped on. Now I'm getting a smaller but still a little bit fluffy but still a little bit denser brush and starting to scratch at that edge. Nice and slow. Really, the key to this is take your time. Don't pressure yourself. The blending is tricky, but trust me, you can do it. Just take your time and softly blend. So make sure to just scratch at that edge. And I'm taking a more fluffier brush and really extending and blowing out that edge and making sure everything is nice and seamless. And again, just taking a smaller brush that's still very fluffy, then a bigger one, and just keep blending. And also the key to this is layering, because as soon as you start blending out the black, some of the black on the lid fades, so you definitely want to make sure that you're reapplying the black, blending it out, reapplying, blending it out until you get to that kind of perfect middle where the eyeshadow is perfectly blended and you still have a pretty strong black lid. Here I'm just cleaning up the fallout with a makeup remover wipe and cleaning up that edge. This is why I like to do my foundation after when I'm doing a smoky eye. Now I'm just adding a liner, and of course, this is a black smoky eye. We need to do it. We need to bring it with the liner. I want a huge and intense wing. And this may look small, but trust me, there you can see a good look of that huge wing. Here I'm curling up my lashes to prep them for eyelashes as well as applying mascara to them. I'm taking a matte white shadow and putting that on the brow bone just to clean up any messes and to really make sure that it is really smoked out and blended. And while the lash glue dries, I put in this green duochrome glitter. You mostly see it green, but it's actually pink in the pan and it looks so cool. Now time for some lashes. Look at how big and long these lashes are. Like, oh my goodness, I am in love with them. And now I'm kind of just speeding through the base routine since it really is the same as all the same ones, same foundation, same concealer. I have not changed up my routine because I am just in love with the combo that I'm working with now, so I'm definitely blending out that concealer. And again, I still want my face to look natural-ish, kind of, so I'm only setting the under eye, the nose, the chin, and the forehead, which are the most oily. Of course, taking my bronzer and just bronzing up that skin, giving myself a little more color now that I look like a flat pancake. And of course, I want to be glam. So I am putting on the contour. I am doing the whole 9 yards today. And like my eyeshadow, I like to go in with the previous brush, to blend out all the edges. Now I am taking the black and going right under my eye. I know a lot of people are scared of this. They don't want to look like a raccoon or any of that. But I think for this look, since I am going for a bit more grungy, I think it really does fit and it looks really well. And of course, dusting off that bake that we no longer need and just making sure to sweep all that away. And my favorite part, adding blush. Oh, the rosiness. And of course, no matter what, I always add the pink tip on the nose, putting setting spray to return the skin back to skin, and using my beauty blender to kind of just get that all nice in. Here I'm taking some lash glue and then putting on that same glitter that I put in the inner corner on that lash because I think it looks so cool. Lining my lips with black because, oh yeah, we're going there. We are going full black lip. And I'm trying the new like kind of oval cupid's bow to see if I like it. And spoiler alert, I freaking love it. I feel like it looks so cute and looks so good with this look. So as you can see here is the final look. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys learned that you can do a smoky eye, especially a black smoky eye, really easily without any really big struggle at all. You just really have to take your time with it, and I guess that's what people are kind of like, they don't really want to take the time and really blending that out, especially with this look that doesn't have a transition shade, which a lot of people would say is very dangerous for doing a black smoky eye with no transition shade. But I honestly love it, and I definitely love putting the green glitter in the inner corner because it definitely helps give a pop of color. And in my opinion, it's like so punky, and I'm honestly obsessed with this look, especially the new lips, like the rounded out like cupid's stick bow just makes me look like so pouty, and I love it. Like, I'm shook. I am completely shook whenever I wear like actual lipstick. This is definitely what I'm gonna do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting me in everything that I do. And remember, if there's a video suggestion that you have, a specific tutorial or a challenge that you want me to do, make sure to comment down below or tell me on Instagram. I'm constantly asking like my followers what you guys want to see. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, and remember to follow my shop, which is going to be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and stay safe, and I love you all. See you next time. Bye guys.